Hi, this is Rockin Robin, and I am in Orlando. I am at Dragonfly, the Dragonfly Robata. I'm going to show you a lot of different foods here. It's all Japanese and it's yummy. Stay with us. So you're in Orlando and you're looking for a great Japanese restaurant. Well, this is not easy to find, but when you find this one, and I gave you the address, you are absolutely going to love it. Great sushi, but not only sushi, a lot of other fantastic foods. This is a great place to eat in Orlando. There is the menu, but I am going to share with you some of the items that I had. We were lucky enough to be able to get a lot to sample. And this is inside the restaurant. It is absolutely beautiful. The decor is very, very nice. Lots of seating. Plenty of seating, and if you're having an event, you can sit outside or inside or in a special room. It's just a very, very nice place to sit. You can see them making the food right there. There's some drinks and there is a party going on. So take a look at the restaurant and then I'm going to talk to you about some of the food. So we started out with a typical Japanese drink, lychees, and you can have it with or without alcohol, whatever you prefer. And then, of course, we had a ginger salad. Both of these were fantastic. The salad was great. The drink was very delicious. It's an unusual taste, but I think it's one that you're going to like. Next, we had the Brussels sprouts. I love Brussels sprouts, and I was the only one who really liked Brussels sprouts, so I ate them all. They were grilled, and they were just a little bit brown, very, very tasty and crunchy. Next, we had some chicken that was a little bit fried, and the sauce was a mayonnaise, a cabbage, a pepper, and a little bit lemon. Very, very good. And there was the classic edamame. I'm not a huge fan, but these were quite tasty. Then after that, we went on to the pork. We wanted to try some pork gyoza. These are pretty much like a fried dumpling, and you can put it in some kind of sauce or even in a soy sauce. Next, we had the crispy shrimp with a jalapeno on it, cilantro, some garlic, and candy walnut. I think this was probably my favorite. I really, really enjoyed that shrimp. Next, we went on to a chicken thigh. These are chicken thigh skewers. I don't know how they did it, but this like melted in your mouth. It wasn't tough like a chicken. It was soft and tender. Absolutely wonderful. And here are what I call the ribeye skewers. These came with a garlic and like chimichurri sauce. It was very, very good. I always like ribeye, and you can't pass up the skewers. This is miso yaki salmon. They should rename it melt in your mouth salmon. It was that good. Everything about it was delicious. The sauce, not spicy, just perfect. Everything was great. And there were several different kinds of rolls. Some sushi. This was a crunch roll. This one features tempura shrimp, eel sauce, and avocado. Next was some Japanese rice. If you've never had Japanese rice, it's not the same. It's got great flavor to it. Next was the crispy crunch roll, and this one had crab, salmon, avocado, and cream cheese. All of them were fantastic, just perfect. We also did have a drink. Hey, gotta have a drink while you're there. I had the espresso martini. Now, I am not big on alcohol, but this was very good. If you're gonna try something and you want to try something that's different, you like coffee, well, the espresso martini might be for you. And after that, we did have dessert. You can't eat everything, but you gotta try some. This was a fried cheesecake, and like everything else, it was wonderful and it melted in your mouth. Fantastic meal at Dragonfly. When you come in, you feel right away something special in this restaurant. When you go outside, you can see how fancy. There's some fun things to play with. I'm always playing with everything. There's a water feature over here. You can walk around and look. There are some other places, some other restaurants and shopping areas. On the other side, there is also some water. Look at these statues. Aren't they different? And you can see the dragonfly on the back on the right here. That is where the dragonfly is. Then I'm going to walk over here and I'm going to show you this water feature. Well, this is Rockin Robin. I am giving this place an A+. It was absolutely fantastic. Some of the best Japanese food I've ever had. You need to go and look for this if you really like Japanese food. I think you're going to love it. We tried so much. It was great. Please remember to subscribe, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Watch all our Orlando videos.